Welcome to the channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Heath. I create videos about tech, streaming, games, all sorts of things. But today's video, we're going to be checking out a product from XCool. Just a quick disclaimer, this product was sent to me free of charge in return for this video. However, I've always wanted to get my hand on one of these electronic precision screwdriver kits, and we're going to go over all the ins and outs of it, show everything that you need to know about it, and show you everything that comes whenever you get this product. If you want to pick it up, I'll leave a link down in the description below. It will be an affiliate link, so keep that in mind. Anyway, let's jump in here and let's show you what you get whenever you get this screwdriver kit from XCool. So once you get your XCool Precision Screwdriver Kit, it comes in a simple little box. Once you get the box open, you are greeted with everything that comes inside. You come in a little kit, the screwdriver, the container for all your bits. There are a multitude of different bits that are available. Screwdrivers. You have some drill bits that are available as well. You also have a secondary adapter for the larger bits also that you can usually swap out whenever you want to be using, let's just say, a screwdriver versus a drill bit itself. You have some extended ones as well on the back that are a little bit longer. If you look closely next to each bit, there is an indicator for the type of bit it is. You also receive a set of tweezers, the charging cable, and a spatula for choosing things like, spreading thermal paste or picking up small screws with the tweezers. Swapping bits is relatively easy. In the event you're going to be using a larger bit, all you have to do is unscrew the adapter, pull it off, slide a new one in there, and it works very simply. And again, here we're showing you how to put a screwdriver bit in there, tightening it down. That way you don't have any issues whatsoever. It is easily swappable, pull in, pull out, and they just snap easily inside of each of the screwdriver adapters. And it is just simple, straightforward, and easy to use with indicators on the back of the screwdriver showing you battery life and other information as well. All right, so let's talk about the actual features of the XCool Mini Electric Precision Screwdriver. It comes with 5 torque options from your lowest setting all the way up to your highest setting. The indicator on the screwdriver itself shows you the torque level. It is very simple and very easy to use by simply pressing forward, pressing back, whether you want to screw in, screw out. Also, if you triple press the forward button, it will allow it to continuously spin, but only if it's set to the 5th torque level or the highest torque level available. There are also, again, amazing amount of bits that you can use for any project, whether it's a laptop, computer, maybe a pair of glasses, anything you use, it can provide, whatever bits you would need available for it. It is a really nice battery life on it as well. On average, what it says is around 500 screws or 500 uses of it. It does come again with a charging cable. It charges really quickly. It is a USB Type-C cable, so charging will be done relatively simple and fast as well. Like I said, it does come also with some additional accessories as well. It does come with those small tweezers that you can use to pick up, little small screws or things like that. They all do have magnetic tips on them, so that is a plus. Whenever you're unscrewing something, that way the screw, just automatically sticks to the screwdriver head. That way you don't have to worry about dropping it or losing it, especially in the case of working in, tight places like a laptop or a computer as well. The spatula that is included is for a pry bar. You can also use it for a putty spatula as well if you want to use it in that case for spreading something like thermal paste or, anything like that. But anyway, this is my review of the XCool Mini Electric Precision Screwdriver. I've got nothing really negative to say about it whatsoever. It works. It does the job. It's inexpensive, around $45 on their website. Again, I'll leave links down below if you want to grab one for yourself. But anyway, and as always, much love, peace out, and we'll see you in the next one.